Welcome to Invest Insight. Today, we're discussing one of the most critical aspects of financial planning, retirement investing. The goal is to build a nest egg that allows you to maintain your desired lifestyle long after your working years are over. In the US, UK, Canada, Europe, and Australia, a comfortable retirement relies heavily on personal savings and strategic investing. Let's explore the key steps to build your retirement nest egg. Determine your retirement needs. The first step is to figure out how much money you'll need. A common rule of thumb is to aim for a retirement income equal to 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income to maintain your current lifestyle. Estimate expenses. Calculate your current spending, then adjust for how expenses like housing, healthcare, and travel might change in retirement. The 25X rule. A popular guideline is to aim for a total savings target of 25 times your estimated annual retirement expenses. Consider longevity. People are living longer, so your savings need to last potentially 20 to 30 years or more. Plan accordingly to avoid the risk of outliving your assets. Understand your retirement systems. Most developed nations have a multi-pillar retirement system involving government pensions and private savings. Government pensions provide a safety net, like the U.S. Social Security, Canada Pension Plan, UK State Pension, or Australia's Age Pension. The eligibility age is typically around 66 or 67 and rising. Employer plans. Maximize contributions to employer-sponsored plans like a U.S. 401k or a UK workplace pension, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. This is essentially free money. Personal accounts. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like a Canadian Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP, tax-free savings account, TFSA, or UK Self-Invested Personal Pension, SIP. Harness the power of compounding and start early. Time is your greatest ally in retirement planning due to compound interest. Compound interest allows your earnings to generate their own earnings, creating a snowball effect. Starting to save early, even small amounts, makes a significant difference. For example, a person starting at age 25 may accumulate much more by retirement than someone who starts at age 35, even with the same contribution rate later on. Automate your contributions to ensure consistency and discipline in saving. Invest wisely and diversify. Funding your retirement account is just the beginning. You must invest the funds to achieve growth that outpaces inflation. Asset allocation. Determine the right mix of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, that matches your time horizon and risk tolerance. Diversification. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Regular review. Monitor your investments regularly, at least once a year, to ensure your portfolio remains aligned with your goals and risk strategy. Consider tax advantages. Utilize accounts that offer tax benefits to optimize your savings. Tax-deferred accounts, contributions to plans like traditional 401ks or IRAs, may be tax-deductible now, with taxes paid in withdrawals in retirement. Tax-exempt accounts, contributions to accounts like Roth IRAs, are made with after-tax dollars, but qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. By planning early, maximizing contributions, and investing strategically, you can build a secure financial future for your retirement years.